Alright, Shako, for matrix method, like I explained in another class, I said what this man called what this man actually said that what we are going to do here with school method. Like I said before, both of them agree with the first two steps, that is setting the coefficient in this format and looking for what to determine that. Okay, but matrix is of the opinion that what these numbers put in bracket should be tagged as A, and this S and Y should be tagged as what B, while the answer will be C. Okay, so in his own opinion, he is of the opinion that what A times B give us C. Okay, and since our target is to get what S and Y, which is the B, when we divide both sides by A, then we have the B as what C over what over A. Okay, so if that is the case, then that B will now be what? Will now be 1 over A times C. So in this context, it is called inverse of A times C. Inverse of A times C. That is to get what? To get the value for S and Y, we must look for the inverse of this matrix. And in doing that, that will now mean that our B, which is our answer here, will be what? Our B will be X and Y equals to, okay, the inverse of this one, which will now be these two and these two, they will swap, but unfortunately the two of them are the same thing, so you won't know whether they swap, but it's 2 and 5 there. Then you will now use minus to multiply the minor diagonal. So minus 1 minus times plus positive 1 here equals minus 1. Minus times what a positive 1 equals what a minus 1. Okay, over what? Over the determinant over 3. So doing this now, will be the what? Will be the inverse of matrix A times the answer. C is the answer. 3 and what? And 9. 3 and 9. Let me see whether I can see that part of the board. Yes, you can see. Capture very well. Okay, you can see that part of the board. So here now, I'm going to what? I'm going to remove this one from here. It's going to be what? It's going to be 1 over 3. 2 minus 1 and 2. So let one go. This is our answer for the previous one. You see the same answer. Multiply by what? Multiply by 3 and what? And 9. So I'm going to use 1 over 3 to multiply everything inside here to get my answer. That is what x, y equals to, this one becomes what? 1 over 3 times 2 will give me 2 over 3. 1 over 3 times minus 1 will give me minus 1 over 3. 1 over 3 times minus 1 will give me what? Minus 1 over 3 as well, Shako. Then 1 over 3 times 2 will give me 2 over 3. So we need to multiply 3 and 9. So now, let me see what I can see. Yes. So to now get the x now, my x will give me this one times this one. This one times this one, which is 2 over 3 times 3 plus minus what? Minus 1 over 3 times 9. Shako. This 9 for x. So here 3 cancel 3. 3 here 1, 3 here 3. So my answer for s will give me 2 plus times minus give me what? Minus 3. So my s is what? Answer is what? Minus 1. That is s equals to minus 1. Okay, s equals to minus 1. Shako, you can still see. So same thing for y. Also for y, let me see whether I can see that part of the board. Yeah, for y. Okay, for y we have what? We have 3 times minus 1 over 3. Okay, plus 2 times what? 2 times 3 times 9. So 3 here 1, 3 here 1, 3 here 1, 3 here 3. So here now what I have here is what? Is minus 1 plus 2 times 3 is 6. Answer is what? Positive 5. Okay, that is what y equals to what? 5. So our answer here is what? X and y, which is what? Minus 1 and 5 using what? Matrix method. Shako.